subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Hi everyone, today I'm just gonna do an unboxing of some beautiful sarees. So I'm not gonna tell you what sarees are inside, just wait and watch. I'm sure you have an idea now what sarees are inside. So we're going to see what colors have come this time. So that's one saree. In detail pictures will be posted soon. So just now I'm just going to show you an overview. One favorite color combination, that is. So these are the sarees that we've received now. Most of these are 1000 buttas in different colors. This is a candy pink one, which is a very favorite one. So I'll be posting these soon. Thanks for watching. 1000 buttas in different colors. This is a candy pink one, which is a very favorite one. So I'll be posting these soon. Thanks for watching.